So let's get into exercise 5.2. Question number 1. Find the modulus and the argument. Modulus na enadhu? Root of x square plus y square. Argument is the theta. Okay. First on the words ikla meaning therinjadhaan question solve panna mudiyum illaya. So z equals -1 minus I root 3. So x oda value enna? -1. Y oda value minus root 3. X plus iy illaya. So xy value first எழுதிக்கோங்க. So what is your modulus? Root of x square plus y square, which is root of -1 the whole square plus minus root 3 the whole square. Minus la square panna plus ஆயிடும். But இருந்தாலும் you should substitute the right values. கரெக்டா? So root of 1 plus 3 root 4 is 2. So இது என்னது? R ஓட value. R is nothing but mod z இல்லையா? So R கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Now you need to find the theta. So இப்போ R cos theta equals x. Cos theta equals x ஓட value என்ன? -1 divided by 2. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல -1 போடாம 1 மட்டும் போட்டுருந்தீங்கன்னா theta ஓட வேல்யூவே மாறும். இங்க cos theta is negative, not positive. Okay. Now, what is r sin theta? R sin theta is y. So, sin theta is y ஓட வேல்யூ என்ன? √3 minus √3 divided by 2. So, இப்போ cos sin ரெண்டுமே நெகட்டிவ். இங்க ஏதாவது அப்படி ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கா? tan. If cos and sin both are negative, tan theta will be minus sin theta oda value negative, cos theta oda value negative. So negative cancel ஆனா plus ஆயிடும். So tan theta is positive. Sin cos ரெண்டுமே negative na tan theta is positive. So we are in the third quadrant. So third quadrant is what we are looking for. So what is my actual theta? Actual theta cos -1/2. Cos is 1/2, sin is √3/2. First general பாத்துறணும். So theta என்ன? 60 degree, which is nothing but pi by 3. But when you are looking for the third quadrant, it will be pi. In the line another 180 degree இல்லையா? Pi plus theta. So it will be pi plus pi by 3, which is 3 pi plus pi, the whole divided by 3. So I'll have 4 pi by 3. So this is my argument, அதாவது theta, and this is my r, which is 2. So polar form எப்படி இருக்கும்? Z equals r times cos theta, cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3. Second question, Z equals minus √3 plus I. Okay, so inga x value enna? Minus √3, y value is plus 1. Okay, so r enna? Root of x square plus y square, which is root of minus √3 the whole square plus 1 square. அதேதான் √4, which is 2. Okay, so r value தெரியும். R cos theta equals x. So cos theta equals x ஓட value என்ன? -√3 divided by r is 2. Cos theta negative. What is r sin theta? It is y. So sin theta, y ஓட value என்ன? 1 divided by 2. So இப்போ sin positive, cos negative. So sin positive na we are in the second quadrant. So we are dealing with second quadrant. What is my actual theta? √3/2 வந்து cos. So cos √3/2, sin 1/2. So my actual theta is 30 degree. But we are in the second quadrant. So it will be pi minus theta. இல்லாட்டி pi by 2 plus theta. ஏதோ ஒன்று. இந்த quadrant எப்படி நம்ம சொல்லுவோம்? Pi minus theta or pi by 2 plus theta. So I am doing pi. So I am doing pi minus theta. இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Pi by 6 ன்னு எழுதலாமா? So I have pi minus pi by 6, which is 5 pi by 6. Okay. So my polar form would be r times cos 5 pi by 6 plus I times sin 5 pi by 6. Okay. Question number 3, 4, எல்லாமே சிமிலரா தான் இருக்கு. You have to denote it in the polar form. So I will solve any two questions. Okay. So I will solve question number 6 and 8. The rest is very very similar to the example and the exercise question that we just solved. 1 and 2 க்கு சிமிலரா இருக்கு. I will solve 6th question. 6th question is -3. So this is -3 plus 0y. So this is my z. அப்ப x ஓட value என்ன? -3. y ஓட value 0. So r is root of x square plus y square, which is root of -3 the whole square plus 0 square. 3 square என்ன? 9. Root of 9 is 3. So 3 cos theta equals x, which is minus 3. So cos theta equals minus 1. அதே மாதிரி 3 sin theta equals y ஓட value என்ன 0. So sin theta is 0. 0 divided by 3, which is 0. So actual values என்ன? Sin is 0 and cos is 0. So theta will be 0. But what are we saying? We are saying that sin is positive and cos is negative. So sin positive na, we are in the second quadrant. So second quadrant na, how will it be? It will be pi minus theta, pi by 2 plus theta. So 180 minus theta. So my theta will be pi minus theta, which is pi minus 0, which is pi. So polar form எப்படி எழுதுவீங்க? Z equals r times, which is 3 times cos pi plus I sin pi. Okay? Cos 180 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Sin pi is 0. So you get back the same answer. Okay? So இதே மாதிரி 8th question. What is my 8th question? It is I. So which is nothing but 0 plus I. So என்னோட x value 0, y value 1. அப்ப r என்ன? Root of x square plus y square, which is root of 0 square plus 1 square, which is 1. Root of 1 என்ன? 1. So இப்ப r cos theta. So it will be r 1 times cos theta equals 0. So cos theta is 0. அதே மாதிரி 1 times sin theta is 1. So sin theta is 1. So if cos theta 0, sin 1, அப்படினா theta என்னது? 90 degree. We see that both are positive. அப்போ ரெண்டுமே first quadrantல தான் இருக்கு. So we are dealing with first quadrant. So your theta is 90 only. Na? Theta வந்து 90 itself. So your polar form would be Z equals R என்ன? 1 times cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 0. I sin pi by 2 enna? Sin pi by 2 is 1. 1 times I is I times 1 is I. So you get back the same answer. This is your Z. Okay? So with this we are done with exercise 5.2. In the next video we will solve quadratic equations and miscellaneous exercise and examples irukku. Do solve them. Do watch the video. It will be very very helpful for the exam. அதுல இருந்து தான் complex numbers க்கு examல questions வரும். இந்த மாதிரி exerciseல இதெல்லாம் வராது. These are all very very simple questions. Okay?